Good morning students. Hope you all are fine. Today's topic is shapes. Plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane shapes you have already studied in class 1. Let us revise again. Circle. In the circle there is no side and no corner. No side and no corner. This is rectangle. In the rectangle this is called side, and where these two lines meet is called the corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are there in the rectangle. In the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this, and this side is equal to this. Next is square. In the square also there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are there. So 4 sides and 4 corners are there in the square also. But in the square, all the 4 sides are equal. In the square, all the 4 sides are equal. So what is the difference between the rectangle and the square? In the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In the square, all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, understood? Now next is triangle. Triangle, in the triangle 3 sides are there. 1, 2, 3 and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are plane shapes. Now these plane shapes are also called the 2D shapes, and these are the solid shapes. Today we will study about the solid shapes. And so solid shapes are cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder and cone. And these solid shapes are called the 3D shapes. Now what is the difference between the 2D and 3D shapes? 2D shapes we can only draw it on the paper or blackboard. We cannot hold it in the hands. Now this is a circle, you cannot take out the circle and hold it in the hands. Rectangle, you cannot hold it in your hands. But the solid shapes you can also draw and you can also hold it in your hands. Let's see. First we will take the example of cuboid. Now what are the different example of cuboid are this? Notebook. You all are having this notebook. Book. This is an example of cuboid. This color box. Matchbox. And this compass box. These all are example of cuboid. Okay. These all are example of cuboid. Now all of you hold this compass box in your hand. Now we will study how many faces, edges and vertex are there in it. How many faces, edges and vertex are there. Okay. Now this is called the face. This is called the face. This is first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth and sixth. Now again count. You also count with me. This is first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth and sixth phase. Okay. How many phases are there? 6 phases are there. Now next we will study about the edges. This is called the edge. Edge means kinara. Okay. This is called the edge. Now how many edges are? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in front, 4 at the back, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. 8 and this is 9, 10, 11 and 12. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. 12 edges are there. Now we will study how many vertex are there. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertex are there. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now how many faces are there? 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex are there in the cuboid. Now next we will take the example of cuboid. Cube. This is this dice you have seen. You play with this dice. This is an example of cube. And this box, it is also an example of cube. Now in the cube, the same face, edges and vertex are there as you have seen in the cuboid. Now let's study. This is first face, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay. Again first face, second, Now we will count the edges. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, same as we have seen in cuboid. And then vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So same 6 faces, 12 edges and the 8 vertex are there in the cube also. Now what is the difference between the cube and cuboid? If the face look like a rectangle, this face look like a rectangle, then it is cube. If the face look like a square, if this face look like a square, then it is a cube. Hope you all of you understood what is the difference between the cube and cuboid. Next we will take the example of sphere. The example of sphere are this orange, tomato, lemon and this ball. These all are example of sphere. Now in the sphere, this is the curved face. This is called the face and it is called the curved face. Okay? So in the sphere, this is only one face is there, one curved face is there. There is no edge, no corner is there. In the sphere, there is no corner, no vertex, no edges, only one curved face is there. Okay? Next, we will take the example of cylinder. Now, the example of cylinder are this bottle. You have seen the gas cylinder in the kitchen. That is also an example of cylinder. Straw, pencil, this pen, and this water bottle. These all are example of cylinder. Okay. Now, all of you hold this water bottle in your hand. You also take out your water bottle and hold it in your hands and count with me. This is called the curved face. How many faces are there? This is one face, curved face. This is plain face. This is plain face. So one curved face and this 1 and 2 plain face. So 3 faces are there. In the cylinder, 3 faces are there. One curved face and this is plain face and this is also plain face. One curved and 2 plain faces are there. And edges. This is called the edge. This is one edge. This is second edge. So 2 edges are there. 3 face, 1, 2, 3 and these 2 edges are there. And no vertex is there. In the cylinder, no vertex is there. So in the cylinder, 3 face and 2 edges are there. Understood all of you? Now next we will take the example of cone. The example of cone, you have seen this softy cone. Softy cone, this is the mehndi cone and carrot. These all are example of cone. Okay. Now in this cone, we will study how many faces, edges and corners are there. Now one face, this is the one face, this is the curved face. This is one face and this is second plain face. So 2 faces are there in the cone, 2 faces. This is one plain face and one curved face. And one vertex, this is the vertex. This is the vertex, one vertex is there and this is the edge. This is the edge, one edge is there. So 2 face, 1 and 2 face, 1 edge and 1 vertex are there in the cone. Understood? Now let us revise again. How many faces, edges and vertex are there in the solid shapes? Now first one is cuboid. In the cuboid, 6 faces are there, 12 edges are there and 8 vertices are there. Same in the cube. 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices are there. In the sphere, there is only one face, no edge and no vertex. No edge and no vertex. In the cylinder, 3 faces are there and 2 edges are there and there is no vertex is there. In the cone, 2 faces, 1 edges and 1 vertex is there. Okay? Hope you all have understood. Do you have any doubt? Okay, thank you.